10 Powerful Health Benefits of Cinnamon Every Day. Cinnamon is more than just a delightful spice that adds warmth and sweetness to your favorite recipes. This humble spice, often found in your kitchen cabinet, is packed with a myriad of health benefits that can significantly impact your daily well-being. Let's dive into the powerful health benefits of cinnamon and discover how incorporating it into your routine can lead to remarkable improvements in your health. 1. Improves insulin sensitivity. If you're struggling with insulin sensitivity, cinnamon might be your new best friend. This spice can help improve insulin sensitivity through its insulin-like effects. The key player here is cinnamaldehyde, a compound in cinnamon that interacts with insulin receptors on cells, making them more responsive to insulin. This interaction helps facilitate the efficient uptake of glucose from the bloodstream into cells. Additionally, chromium, a trace mineral present in cinnamon, enhances the action of insulin by increasing the number of insulin receptors on cell membranes, thus reducing the risk of insulin resistance. 2. Lowers blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and cinnamon can be a valuable ally in this regard. Cinnamaldehyde helps regulate blood sugar levels by influencing glucose metabolism and enhancing the activity of enzymes that break down carbohydrates. This leads to a slower absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. Furthermore, the dietary fiber in cinnamon slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, aiding in better blood sugar control and contributing to stable and lower blood sugar levels. 3. Reduces heart disease risk. Cinnamon's heart protective properties are truly impressive. Cinnamaldehyde has been shown to lower levels of total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while maintaining or even raising HDL, good cholesterol levels. By positively influencing these lipid parameters, cinnamon helps prevent the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. The polyphenol in cinnamon also contribute to heart health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to cardiovascular diseases. 4. Combats bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties make it a powerful defender against bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamaldehyde disrupts the cell membrane integrity of bacteria and fungi, leading to their destruction. This compound helps inhibit the growth and reproduction of harmful microorganisms such as Candida albicans and various bacteria, including Staphylococcus and Escherichia coli. Additionally, eugenol, another significant compound in cinnamon, enhances its antifungal and antibacterial properties by interfering with the enzymatic pathways of microorganisms, further supporting the body's immune response. 5. Promotes brain health. Cinnamon isn't just good for your body, it's also beneficial for your brain. The antioxidants in cinnamon, particularly cinnamaldehyde, help neutralize free radicals that can damage brain cells. By reducing oxidative stress, cinnamon supports overall brain health and may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It inhibits the accumulation of tau proteins, which are associated with Alzheimer's, and supports cognitive function by improving blood flow to the brain. Manganese, an essential mineral in cinnamon, also plays a role in neurotransmitter synthesis and antioxidant defense, contributing to mental clarity and emotional well-being. 6. Eases digestive discomfort. Digestive discomfort can be a major hindrance to enjoying life, but cinnamon may help ease these issues. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Cinnamaldehyde also reduces inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, which can alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Moreover, the dietary fiber in cinnamon supports regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and maintains a healthy gut microbiome. 7. Aids in weight loss. For those looking to shed some pounds, cinnamon can be a helpful addition to your weight loss regimen. Cinnamaldehyde boosts thermogenesis, the process by which the body produces heat and burns calories. By activating metabolic pathways that enhance fat burning, cinnamon can contribute to weight loss. Additionally, its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels helps prevent the storage of excess glucose as fat. Polyphenol in cinnamon further support weight loss by improving fat metabolism and inhibiting the formation of new fat cells. 8. Boosts the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for overall health, and cinnamon can give it a significant boost. It combats various pathogens, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, thereby enhancing the immune response. Cinnamaldehyde reduces the burden on the immune system, allowing it to function more effectively in defending the body against infections. Polyphenol, such as proanthocyanidins, contribute to immune support by neutralizing free radicals and preventing chronic inflammation, which can impair immune function. 9. Improves skin health. Cinnamon can also work wonders for your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamaldehyde help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and swelling associated with conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Its antioxidant properties protect skin cells from oxidative stress, preventing premature aging and maintaining youthful, healthy skin. Additionally, cinnamon supports collagen production, which is vital for skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 10. Reduces menstrual discomfort. Menstrual cramps and discomfort can be debilitating, but cinnamon may offer some relief. Cinnamaldehyde helps relax uterine muscles, reducing the intensity and frequency of cramps. Its antispasmodic properties also alleviate pain by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, which trigger inflammation and pain during menstruation. Furthermore, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory compounds help create a more comfortable menstrual experience. Potential risks of cinnamon consumption. While cinnamon offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks associated with excessive consumption. Cassia cinnamon, in particular, contains coumarin, which can be harmful to the liver if consumed in large amounts. Allergic reactions, gastrointestinal discomfort, and interactions with medications are also possible. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before significantly increasing your cinnamon intake, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can offer a wealth of health benefits, from improved insulin sensitivity and heart health to enhanced brain function and skin care. However, moderation is key to avoiding potential risks. So, go ahead and enjoy this versatile spice, but always choose high-quality cinnamon and consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it's the right fit for your health needs. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.